Open hands, open hearts. Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather as visionaries united by a shared dream and inspired by bold leadership in this room. Each heart beats with the power of generosity. Driven by a leader who saw beyond personal success, Mr. Ash Mufareh taught us that true leadership lies not in hoarding wisdom, but in freely sharing it with those around us. Picture the contrast. A tight fist clutches its treasures, limiting growth and connection. Yet an open hand invites abundance, trust, and endless possibility. His choice was clear. He opened his vault of success, inviting us to build a future defined by unity and generosity. As Simon Sinek reminds us, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Mr. Mufareh's open hands speak volumes about his noble commitment to every member of this remarkable community. In his welcoming gesture, we see more than generosity, we see a call to collective empowerment. It is a declaration that success multiplies when shared. Our journey is not solitary. It is intertwined with a vision of exponential growth and kindness. Echoing the timeless wisdom of great leaders, let us embrace this truth wholeheartedly. Look at each open palm in this gathering. They are beacons of abundance and new beginnings. Together, we transform the act of giving into a powerful legacy. Embrace the power of generosity and unity. Recognize that true success comes from sharing and collective advancement. Hold fast to this transformative truth and step confidently into a future built on the strength of open hands. Step beyond ordinary, embrace your potential. Every moment offers a spark of clarity, a glimpse into infinite possibilities. Today, we stand at a transformative crossroads, where the ordinary gives way to extraordinary destiny. In this moment, our hearts unite as we dare to dream and defy the well-worn path, embracing a future filled with hope and purpose. To every devoted parent, caring provider, bold dreamer, and corporate visionary, thank you. Your courage and determination light the way for a brighter tomorrow. With each step, we honor the commitment to transform challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. Our journey is not solitary but shared, a powerful collective movement built on gratitude and conviction. Here, the Victory with Ash platform emerges as our vehicle for transformation. It is the gathering point where our purpose intersects with possibility, the catalyst that propels us from hesitation into action. Under the leadership of Ash Mufareh, we are called to rise above convention and forge a path defined by clarity, ambition, and unity. This is a call to ignite the potential within you, a call to move forward with relentless determination and love for the journey. Together, we transform challenges into victories and celebrate the strength found in our unity. The future is a canvas waiting for our vibrant touch, and our destiny is painted with our shared endeavors. Let every challenge become a stepping stone to greatness. With shared vision, our commitment truly ignites progress and lights the path to triumph. Your time is now. Embrace victory and shape your extraordinary journey. Unite, transform, and step boldly into tomorrow.